The Peterson Farms applesauce plant is a state-of-the-art facility established in 2015 and provides single-cup applesauce to customers throughout the United States. Prior to arriving at Peterson Farms, the apples begin by being harvested by Good Agricultural Practices, or GAP, audit-approved growers throughout the United States. Each apple is carefully hand-picked, loaded into 850-pound bins, and then shipped to Peterson Farms. Once the apples arrive on site, they're transferred into control atmosphere, or CA rooms, where they're stored until they're needed for processing. The purpose of the CA room is to slow down the ripening process of the apples. This is done by reducing the room's oxygen and carbon dioxide levels and introducing nitrogen, which then puts the apples to sleep. When removed from CA storage, the apples look and taste much like they did on the tree. After the apples have been removed from CA storage, each bin is reviewed to determine the best processing use of the apples, whether it be fresh cut, applesauce, IQF, or juice, and then transferred to the selected facility. To begin the applesauce processing, the apples are transported from CA storage into the receiving room of the applesauce plant. Prior to processing, each bin of apples is tested to ensure the apples meet our quality requirements. The apples are then transferred into the apple blend tank where the apples begin their journey down the line. Once in the dump tank, any apples with leaves or other natural parts of the apple tree are removed prior to the process of making the applesauce. Following the apple blend tank, the apples are transferred through high-pressure spray to rinse the apples, which then travel on rollers for inspection, with any apples not meeting our high-quality standards removed. The apples are then dropped into a raw product auger and transferred into the rotopulse. While in the Bertocci rotopulse, the apples are chopped into chunks and ran through the rotor and various screens to transform the applesauce. As the applesauce moves on, the peel, core, and seeds are filtered through screens and filters to remove them from the line, and later used as organic fertilizer, which aligns with the Peterson Farms sustainability plan. The applesauce is then pasteurized and heated to over 180 degrees, which is the first critical control point, or CCP, in our HACCP plan. This is a key step to ensure the high quality and food safety of our applesauce. After reaching 180 degrees and continuing down the line, the applesauce is then transferred into the mix tank, where ascorbic acid is added to the sauce. This helps maintain the freshness of the applesauce, as well as provide vitamin C. This is also the step where added flavor ingredients are inserted into the applesauce mix. Peterson Farms offers several varieties of applesauce flavors, in addition to unsweetened, such as strawberry and cinnamon. Once mixed, the applesauce is ready to be transferred to the cup filling station. As it transfers over, the applesauce passes through an inline magnet, as well as an inline metal detector, which is the second CCP of our HACCP plan. The applesauce is then filled into cups, either 4 or 4.5 ounce net weight. The lids are then added to the cups and then sealed before moving down the line. While transferring down the belt to the chiller, each applesauce runs through an X-ray machine, which is inspecting for filled and underfilled cups, as well as any foreign material. Next, the applesauce cups run through a cooling tunnel, or chiller, bringing the temperature of the cup down, making it safe to handle and to set the seal. This step also stops the applesauce from continuing to cook in the cup, which would affect the quality and taste of the product. Next, the applesauce passes through a camera-based detection system that checks for wrinkles, pinholes, misplaced lids, and corrected lids, and discards the cups that don't meet the quality standards of Peterson Farms. The applesauce cups are then transferred to the packing station, where the cups are loaded using robotic packers. The boxes are then sealed, weighed, and loaded onto the pallet. Once palletized, the applesauce is loaded onto a truck and transported into a secure warehouse for storage until shipment to our customers. Quality is of the utmost importance at the Peterson Farms applesauce plant. Throughout the process, the quality assurance team ensures specifications are met through constant communication with the production team. This includes testing the pressure and bricks, or the natural sugar content, of the raw apples, testing the lid seals of finished cups of apples, and grading the finished product for quality and taste on each pallet produced. From farm to fork, Peterson Farms applesauce is carefully processed to ensure that you and your customer receive the best possible product.